So what are masonry protection creams like Passivhaus Brick Seal? Well, these are creams that are applied to brickwork, like so. And this will make them waterproof. So it won't stop them breathing, which is the wrong word, should I say, is a moisture management system. So it still let the building breathe, that moisture come out, but it will stop all the heavy moisture, the rain, the driven rain into the building, which will affect the U values. So this section of brickwork has the masonry cream, and this section of here doesn't. So as you can see, the rain's coming in, taking all that moisture. That's going into the building. But on the section where we have the creams, it just repels. The moisture within the building can still escape, but the hard rain that's going to go into the bricks won't. Hey guys, thank you for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe below.